Hi guys, we're back with another video, and today we're gonna do spot the difference, and we're gonna do. Oh no, I want to do. No, we're gonna do. Can you spot the alien? Excuse me.
So I just downloaded the free browser extension.
It's copyrighted. Copyrighted. Okay.
Honey, and I'm gonna see how much money I can save with it in 24 hours.
My internet's slow. How can you get the iPhone 11? Are you rich? Oh my god, I'm doing a lot of stuff. This stuff is so slow. Forget it, we're gonna do something else. We're still gonna do can you spot the difference? But okay. SpongeBob, can you spot the difference? What the? See, look, my internet's so slow on. What? My internet's really slow, by the way, guys, and that's why it's taking too long. And we're already in the middle of the video. Oh, finally. Copyrighted music. Okay, let's. Oh my god. Hold on. Oh my god. I can't even see. Let me move. Let's move my recording to like down here. What else is the difference? Who's there? Hold on, guys. Where's my face? Where's my face cam? What the heck? No, where's my... I lost my face cam. How can I stop the recording? Hello, guys? Okay, fine, I got the face cam back on. And I know it's this corner right there. Let's see what else. I'm bad at spot the difference. I forgot, there's stuff through me. I don't know, what the heck. If the comments are on, just tell me which one you think. But don't cheat. Don't cheat, I'm watching you. Oh my god, what? I don't know. Of course, it's right by my face cam. That's why I can't. And this one. One, two, three eyelashes, yeah. Blue eyes, yeah. I'm gonna move my face cam. I'm gonna do a different. My face cam is gonna be right here. I don't know what's the difference. Bubbles? The bubbles? Yeah. Ah! Oh my god. Let's move on to the next one. I don't have the right to this theme too. It doesn't have the dimples. Right there. Oh, It's right here, right? I think it's right there. Right there, yeah, I think it's right there. Come on. Oh my god, I suck at these. Thank God. Oh, I see. It's on the nails. It's the nails. I'm making a YouTube video right now. I'll call you back. Sorry about that, guys. It's the nails on the floor. Yeah, I know. Got one right one. Oh my god, I didn't mean to pop. No! Okay. We can just start it from right there. Let's see. Order. Get word is okay. Yeah, I actually don't know what the heck. Let me move my webcam right there, you guys. I'm only gonna do this video for about like 11 minutes, so. I didn't see Mr. Crab. I was mostly focusing on the left side. Enter. Oh, I see. You see right here, the sign right here, right there, and the sign right there is missing. Easy. Don't have rights to these, though. So, this might be copyrighted. Same as this one. Why do I think every of my videos is copyrighted? Yeah, I know it. Huh. This video is copyrighted. Okay, look at it. What? I don't like the music. Turn it down, it's annoying. What the heck? Where is it? Guys, look. SpongeBob hat. SpongeBob's hat. Okay, let me turn it down. Annoying. Leave a like right now if you think I'm gonna get this one right away. Okay, let's start. Why? I don't even know now. Oh, I found it. I got it right away. Technically, no. Let's see which one mostly shows up. Both lights face at me. You guys can see me better. What do you guys do? You guys can see me better. Who's there?
Me.
Amara, I'm making a YouTube video. god, it looks like SpongeBob had a hole in himself. Had like about to poke him in his hole. Oh my god. I'm gonna end this exactly at 11. I don't know. That's why I never look way back there. That's why I don't have to say Plankton. Because Plankton is not there. Plankton. I think it's this one up here. I think it's either that one up there or on SpongeBob. That one up there or on SpongeBob. That's two things. I think up there and on SpongeBob. Knew it. Knew it. I'm gonna do about one more then the video ends. I think I just had it ready circled. Leave subscribe and leave a like. Oh, I forgot. You guys can't see where I'm pointing. I thought it was on the red thing on the tie. So bye guys.